All right, guys, I'm a little frustrated right now. Not necessarily because I lost, but because I wanted y'all to see what I was doing. Internet just kept tripping. It kept timing out. So I'm gonna share my screen again so y'all can see. I continue with the strategy, and it paid off big. All right, share. It's stupid, man. I hate that the internet did that. All right, but I'll come over here and show you just the receipts of today's trade. You see the result? I went up way over 900. Remember yesterday I was just trying to go up 900. So basically $100, not major. Now, keep in mind my initial deposit into this account was 400 and I think like $74. Okay, $474. This was a week ago. So in a week I've gone from $474 to 1,015. Are y'all seeing that? All right. So let's go here. Yeah, I struggled today now. Keep in mind when the internet was freezing on me, I had entered some trades and they were entering at the wrong spots because the internet had put me in a bad spot, man. And I was hard hit. I didn't stop. I should have stopped, but I didn't. I was like, no, I'm gonna continue to. I need to win these trades and get the money back. So got the internet working. Got to my strategy, and saw it grow. So here we go. I'm gonna show you. And I had to risk big on some of these guys because when I lost, a little small one here, a little small one there, a little small one there, I had to go risk bigger. So you're going to see some $100 trades in here. But I hit those. I risked bigger when I knew and I really trusted my entry points. And this is the thing, guys. The bad thing about it is that when you trade for a long period of time, you think you see stuff that you really don't see. You think, okay, this is my entry point, and that's really not it. You think you're hitting places that, that are good places in the market, but they actually end up being bad spots. That's the result of being in the market for a long time, for an extended period of time. Let me put it like that. So, all right, y'all want to see? I'm pretty sure. Here you go. All right, so I did a $30 trade, won that. Did a $100 trade, broke even. Did a $100 trade, won that. See, my percentages had started going down, but EuroCab was looking so good. So I was like, I don't like the trade below 70-some%, but because it was looking good, I took the trade. So that's my personal rule. But if you got a rule, hey, if you got your own rule, if you ain't got no problem winning, 65%, then that's cool. I just don't like to do it because that's a low payout. But 65 was looking good. If the trade looks good, then take it. Even if it's a 50% payout trade, if it looks good, take it. So it was looking good, so I took them. So $100 trade, won that. $100 trade, won that. Keep going. Another $100 trade, won it. Another $100 trade, won it. All right. Lost the 40. Remember I said when you lose those small trades, then sometimes you have to go bigger to get your money back. And that, that's just what I saw. So I took it. Then I lost the 40, had won 100, won a 40, won a 40. Y'all see that? Won't go no lower. Won't show me. All right, I guess. But anyhow, y'all get the gist of it. So when the internet messed up, you saw I was down. I think I had dropped down to like 800 and something. And then I was like, no, let's go get it all back. Got it back and then got more. So from $475, $74, there's somewhere around there where my initial deposit was. And keep in mind, when I made that initial deposit, I wasn't going live. I was just trading. And then the strategy was working so well. So I decided, hey, let's go live now and start documenting this, on YouTube. So like saying, follow the strategy. We'll explain more probably this weekend how the strategy works. But I wanted to go live and start recording myself so that it'll be documented, so you can see the receipts of the wins. So from $474, little over, I said a little over a week, it's been, because today is going into Wednesday. So, but still $400 to a little over, little over $1,000. That's really good in a week from trading. So the strategy works. If you stick with it, don't take too many big L's, come back, get your money. If you do take a L, come back, get your money, then get more. And the game is to get a little bit at a time. So I'm hitting around $40 to $50 a day, and just keep doing that, $40 to $50 a day. So that'll be another, like I said, still coming back at 6 a.m. Still gonna come back tomorrow night. Then I'll do it again the next day, which will take us into Thursday, and then just do Friday. Stop trading Friday around 11, and may jump up. This may be up around $1,200 by then. So that's what we gonna do. That's how we go trade it. So y'all look over, y'all see these are the winners. All right, it's after midnight, 12:20. Again, got to be up in the morning. I'm going to stop sharing now and call it a night. I'm very pleased, going to bed with a smile on my face, not frustrated because I lost in the market, which, I mean, I wouldn't be frustrated no way if I just stayed down around 800, because I'm still, up tremendously from where I started. This is pretty good. And imagine you're talking about almost, this is $400+. So we'll just say 400 even. That's 400 extra dollars, in a week. Imagine if you did this every week, but let's just say if I stopped right now and took a withdrawal, that's 400 extra dollars for the month, which is really good, income. When it only, I mean, that's all you make. That ain't good income, but I'm saying that's really good supplemental income, to what you make, to what we bring into our household. Because with that $400, that if we wanted to, that can go all into the kids' tuition, for private school. One of our sons for the month. That money can go into, paying all the utility bills. Our utility bills around maybe $600. So that covers majority of the utility bills. So I'm just saying, man, this is really cool. And I know I'm putting my business in the street telling you about all that, but I don't care, because I want you guys to, I'm not trying to charge anything. I'm not trying to make money or profit off of you. I want you to learn how to do this so you can benefit, because I don't know, I'm a believer, kingdom person. And I just think that this right here, trading in the market, is for everybody, and it's a real good benefit if you are a believer. So like I said, not trying to charge anything, not trying to make money off of you, because all these indicators, I didn't invent any of these indicators. I didn't come up with the EMAs. I didn't come up with stochastic. All I did was learn how these tools work. And then I learned how to use these tools, take advantage of these tools, and, use it for my favor. So this is, what's taking place. And again, I will not go live with anyone and trade with anyone live. So don't, message me saying, hey, can I trade with you? No, we're not doing any of that. If you catch me live, like I said, be careful trying to trade with me when I'm live, because it could be a lag in what I'm seeing and what you will see. But again, I don't mind showing you and teaching you these strategies and why I trade the way I trade, so you can do it on your own at whatever time you want to go into the market. So, all right, that's all I got for today, and I'll talk to y'all later. The reason why I keep looking over here, again, is because I have a different monitor. This, of course, is webcam here, but over here is where my screen is. And actually, I'm going to exit this, because the way, if I keep looking at this, I might want to trade again, because what I was trading looks really, really good. EuroCAD looks really, really good for some more trades. But hey, nope, end it. Exit out of that. All right, I exited. Now, I'm not even looking over it. But so hear what I'm saying. Like, this is, I'm raw live right now. I'm telling you how I trade and how I go into it and what my mindset is when I'm trading. That's really what I want y'all to get out of this, is what I'm thinking when I take my trades. Because if you can get what I'm thinking, in you as well, you'll have confidence to push the button, take your trades, and take wins. All right. So I need to go to bed. Talk to y'all later. Bye.